Okay, problem due number 4. One is to understand it is an 11 by 11 by 11, wow, wooden cube. That's a dimension to it, by the way. What I mean by that, the cube, again, I'm not very good at drawing pictures, by the way, but the cube sort of looks like this over here. And the dimensions are 11 by 11 by 11. It's a cube, all right? It's 11 whatever, I have no idea. But they say it's built with 11 unit cubes. I'll put this 11 cube units. So wow, that's crazy. All right. So what I want to do is I want to go to the whiteboard and sort of like visualize what they're asking me to do. How many can I see? And what I'm going to see is I'm going to see a bunch of cubes here, a bunch of cubes here, a bunch here. And I want to see if I can understand it's a counting problem. All right. The worst part about counting, I might miscount it. All right. So this is number 4. All right. I'm going to do my picture again. And again, the reason I do a picture is I want to try to understand what they're looking for. All right, so I'm not going to say this is perfect, but it's good enough for me. And by the way, I want to point along the edges. You're going to be counting twice, by the way. All right. So what I want to do is I want to talk about what I see over here. But if I do that, I'm seeing this too. All right, so I'm seeing that. All right, now how many cubes are going to see over there? Well, if I thought about it, it's going to be 11 squared. Because there's going to be 11 cubes this way, 11 cubes this way. I'm going to see those, and they block out. You get the idea. I can't really draw 11 things there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to visualize this. And I'll put little hash marks down over here. And the question is, what are you seeing over there? Well, I'm still seeing 11 here. But now what I'm seeing, I'm only seeing 10 here. All right, so what do you get? You get 11 times 10. Let's make sure I get everything accounted for at this point. I don't have everything accounted for, do I? And the question is, what do I have not accounted for? I've not accounted for this over here. So then someone says, what's this going to be? Well, if you thought about it, there's 10 there, and there's 10 over here, which is going to be 10 times 10, or 10 squared. Let's see if we can do that. 121. 11 times 10 is 110. 10 squared is 100. Let's add that together. 121. And that's going to be 210, right? If you add that together, it's an addition. That's 133. So what's the answer over here? 331. And that's it. We're done. Thank you.